Ever wondered how to start investing in Bitcoin with just $100? Well, today's your lucky day. We're here to introduce you to the fascinating world of Bitcoin, the first ever digital currency that operates independently of a central bank. This decentralized nature of Bitcoin is what makes it a unique and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. But like any investment, it comes with its share of risks. The value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, so swinging up and down in response to market trends and global events. However, with the right strategies, you can navigate these risks and potentially reap substantial rewards. It's also important to note that while Bitcoin isn't regulated by a government or central bank, it's still subject to laws and regulations in many jurisdictions. So investing in Bitcoin isn't just about making a quick buck, it's about understanding the landscape and playing your cards right. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the actual process of investing in Bitcoin. The first step to start investing in Bitcoin is to set up a digital wallet. Think of a digital wallet as your personal interface to the Bitcoin network, somewhat similar to your online bank account. It allows you to send, receive, and manage your Bitcoin. To set one up, you'll need to choose a digital wallet provider. There are many out there, each with their own strengths and weaknesses, so do your research. Now, security is paramount in the world of digital currencies. When setting up your wallet, make sure to establish strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This combination of measures will help protect your investment from any potential threats. Remember, your digital wallet is like your personal bank, so treat it with the same level of responsibility and caution. Once you've set up your digital wallet, you're ready to buy your first Bitcoin. With a digital wallet in place, you are now ready to buy your first Bitcoin. So how do you go about it? It's simple. You just need to find a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as a digital marketplace where you can trade your dollars, euros, yen, or any other currency for Bitcoin. Now, you might be thinking, Bitcoin's expensive, I don't have thousands to invest. Well, you don't need to. Here's a little secret. You can buy fractional Bitcoins. That's right. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with small amounts like $100. But before you make that first purchase, you have to do your homework. Research is key in the world of cryptocurrency. Look at market trends, read news articles, and perhaps most importantly, don't rush. The market can be volatile, so it's essential to stay informed and make calculated decisions. And remember, it's not about quick wins or getting rich overnight. Investing in Bitcoin, like any other investment, requires patience and resilience. It's about understanding the market, learning from your mistakes, and growing your investment over time. Now, you're officially a Bitcoin investor. But what's next? Investing in Bitcoin is more than just buying and holding. It requires careful management. The cryptocurrency world is like a roller coaster, filled with exhilarating highs and terrifying lows. So how does one navigate this topsy-turvy landscape? The first step is to keep a close eye on the market. Bitcoin values can fluctuate wildly, and staying informed about these changes is crucial. You can do this by setting up alerts on your phone or computer, or by checking in on financial news sites regularly. Next, consider diversification. While Bitcoin might be the most well-known cryptocurrency, it's not the only one out there. Other digital currencies like Ethereum or Litecoin can also be valuable investments. By spreading your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies, you can potentially offset losses if one currency's value dips. Another strategy is to think long-term. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin has generally increased in value over time. So while it might be tempting to panic and sell when the value drops, holding on to your Bitcoin and waiting for the market to recover could be a wise move. But above all, be prepared for the possibility of loss. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. It's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose and to always do your research before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing in Bitcoin can be a rewarding venture, but it's not without risks. Always be prepared and do your research before investing. Ranorichiji